Well, I was going to walk the Ladybird Trail, and then I decided to take the bike, the Metro bikes. Haven't done that before. So anyway, I just figured it all out. Let's see how this ride goes.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting